Now let's go over just the basic simple tools, okay? First off, we have our water container, a small sponge. Let's go on to talk about these guys. So this is your wood rib tool and your metal rib tool. They're used in shaping your clay. This is a trimming knife or a wood knife. I call it a trimming knife because it's used to trim the bottoms of your pieces. This is a needle tool. This might be your saving grace when you're starting out because you're gonna notice as you start out, your clay is gonna be really wobbly at the top. This helps trim off the top and make it look nice. You can also sign your pottery with this. That's what I use it for. Now these are trimming tools, actual trimming tools. This one's a little bit wider, so I'd recommend starting with this one. This one's skinnier. The wire tool. This guy helps you cut off your pottery projects from the wheel, okay? Now this is a pair of calipers. These are used to help measure your pottery so that you can use it to make lids and things like that. Put that there. And now we have a bunch of paint brushes to help us paint, ranging from really big ones to really small ones. One little technical one is this guy. It's called a fan brush. And these are mixers. So these guys help us mix our glaze to ensure that it's ready to paint on. You can use this with a little 4-ounce bottle that are tester glazes. And then you could use this guy with the 16 ounces. I really like these with an impact drill just because it has this attachment. You really can use these on any type of drill, but with the impact, it just kind of squeezes right in there. And let's go here. This is a hair dryer. Yep, we use hair dryers here. We like to use them to dry off the clay before we take it off the wheel, so it helps get the clay nice and firm into what's called a leather hard state. It's where the clay is still wet, but it's nice and firm. And now we have a cleaning bucket. So you have a cleaning sponge. It's used to help clean your wheel. It's a lot easier than using that small sponge, along with a 3.5 gallon bucket, which is really nice because a 5-gallon bucket gets kind of heavy. And so if you want a good cleaning bucket that's not super heavy to carry around, this is your guy. We use them in all of our studios. Lastly, let's talk about clay. This is called B-Mix 5, and I highly, highly, highly recommend that you use this type of clay. Generally, there's firm clay and really soft clay called porcelain. B-Mix is right in the middle, perfect for beginners. It's the stuff that I learned on 10 years ago, and I love it. Now let's get our hands wet. I know you're dying to get on the wheel, so let's go for it.